Hello friends, this is Ishwar here. Yes, it's been a long time since I've uploaded a new video. As you all know, the last video which I've uploaded tells the reason why I have not uploaded many videos if you want to. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Pixel Experience Android 10 ROM on this POCO F1. I'm really excited to install this Pixel Experience ROM on this POCO F1 because it's been like 6 to 8 months since I've tried a new custom ROM on any phone, especially on this POCO F1. So I just tried, like, why not do a video on this POCO F1. So before installing this POCO F1 Pixel Experience ROM, I had a small doubt. The doubt is whether the Widevine L1 support will be present after installing the Pixel Experience ROM. So come with me, let's install this ROM and check whether the Widevine L1 support will be present after installing the ROM. So first of all, we need to download the zip file from the Pixel Experience website. I need to thank the developer very much because this Pixel Experience ROM is so good, as I've tried it in many other phones earlier, and it is very good. So you can just thank the developer and as well donate if you can. So here it is, the Pixel Experience 10 Plus edition. You can just download it from here. You can select the latest version, as you can see, and you can set the download full update and it will start the download for you. So in this Pixel Experience ROM package, you need not download the GApps package, so you can just install this Pixel Experience zip file right away, and the GApps will be included in this ROM package itself. So just take your backups which you want, for example WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram and any other social media apps which you want to take backup of. And now let us just boot into the TWRP recovery. And one more thing you need to make sure before installing this Pixel Experience ROM on this POCO F1 is that you need to have the latest MIUI 11 on your POCO F1, or any version which has the Android 10 or MIUI 11.0.4.0 update or newer. So as you can see, we have booted into the TWRP recovery. If you don't know how to install the TWRP recovery, you can as well search in the internet and you can find many guides on how to install this TWRP recovery on this POCO F1 or any other phone if you want. So after installing the TWRP recovery and booting into it, you can just get into wipe, select advanced wipe, select system, data, cache and LV card cache. You need not erase the internal storage, so just swipe to wipe. Now come back, select install and select the Pixel Experience ROM package. Swipe to install. So while you install this Pixel Experience ROM on the POCO F1, if you encounter any error like this, like what I am facing right now, then it means that you don't have the latest MIUI 11 firmware on your device. So in order to recover from this error, you need to install the latest MIUI 11 ROM on this POCO F1 before installing the Pixel Experience ROM. So as you can see, I'm just connecting the USB pen drive which I have in which I have the MIUI 11 ROM. So I'm just mounting the USB OTG right now, and then tap on install, select storage and select USB OTG and select the MIUI POCO F1 ROM and just wait for it to complete. As you can see, it is patching the firmware images over here. If you encounter any error like this, like what I have encountered over here, just comment down in the comment box and I will be ready to help you. So as you can see right now, the flash has been completed and I don't need the OTG anymore. I can just remove that, and after that let's just get back and select wipe and again select advanced wipe, select system, cache, Dalvik cache and data, and after that again just install, select the internal storage and where you have downloaded the zip file, select the zip file and flash it. And as you can see, now the zip file is successfully flashed. If you didn't encounter any error like what I had, You need not install the MIUI 11 ROM again and then wipe it again. You just need to install the Pixel Experience ROM once and it will be all good to go. Now as you can see, it's all done and we just need to reboot the system. Here it is, the POCO logo, and it will boot in a few minutes. Just wait for it. Just don't get too impatient over here because it is the first boot. Now as you can see, it has just booted up. I will set it up, get to the home screen, and then I will just get to you back. This animation is cute actually. So let's get home. It says to swipe to get started, and yeah, we are home, and here's it. Let me just decrease the brightness a bit, and the old wallpaper is over here, which I had in the previous ROM. This is because I just restored from my Google backup and it is over here. So let me get into settings right now. He is the maintainer, Henrik Pereira. Sorry if I have pronounced it wrongly. As you can see, this is the Android 10. Let me tap it and let me check if there is a dark mode over here, display and dark theme. I just love this dark theme. Let me get into Play Store and install DRM info to check whether the Widevine L1 support is present. The Widevine L1 support is present, so yeah, we can just stream 1080p HD videos on Netflix, Amazon Prime and many other streaming platforms, so that's really great. Now let me open the camera app. It works pretty fine. So at first, when the Pixel Experience ROM was installed, the UI looked different, but now I have changed some settings in order to make it look even more beautiful. So what I did was I went into the settings and I went into system, and you get some options over here. So I changed some options over here in order to get some good look. Like I got some 5 columns over here and 3 rows in the status bar. So just get into status bar and you get many options over here. You can select the clock position to the right. As you can see, the clock has shifted to the right, and you can also select it to the left, and you can select what all system icons you need in the status bar from over here, and you can select the AM and PM to small or normal size if you want, and you can also select show seconds or not. So if I enable it, as you can see, the seconds is shown over here, and you can also change the battery status style to portrait or circle or whatever you want. I think the circle looks better, and you can also set the percentage inside the icon or next to the icon or hidden, so that's really cool. So you can also enable the brightness slider in the quick settings. As you can see, the brightness slider is over here, or you can also disable it from here, and you can also slide across the status bar in order to increase or decrease the brightness from over here. And you can turn on the quick pull down from right. If you pull down from right, the quick settings will automatically open, and that's a good option. And if you don't want, you can just turn it off. And here's it, the rows, number of rows. If you change it to 3, you'll only see 3 rows over here, but let me do it again, 3 rows and 3 columns. This is how it was earlier, like it was 3 rows and 3 columns, which I didn't like much, so I changed it to 4 rows or just 3 rows and 5 columns. So that looked really great and I liked it. So you can also change the number of rows and columns in landscape mode. You can also change the quick setting animation style, like if I change it to flip, if I turn on the mobile data, it will just flip, as you can see. So that's really great. And these are all some good options in the status bar in this Pixel Experience Plus edition. And you can also change the buttons style, like 3-button navigation, 2-button navigation, and also the gesture navigation from here. And you get the compact layout from here, like you get the navigation bars, like the space between the navigation button is quite less when it is in compact layout mode. and you can change many more options from here. Like if I long press the recent screen, it will enable the split screen, and there are many options over here which you can check out, which are really cool. And when it comes to gestures, you get the jump to camera. Like you can double tap the power button twice in order to open the camera right from there, and you get many more options like that in this Pixel Experience ROM. So when you get home, you get the wallpapers over here. These wallpapers, like there are live wallpapers which can be used from here. You can download it from here, for example, and after it is downloaded, you can use the live wallpaper like what I am having right now. It just flows, it looks good. So that's pretty much it for this video. There are many features which are really cool in this Pixel Experience Plus ROM. So just try it out, and if you have any doubts or queries, just leave it in the comment section below, or you can also join the Telegram group which is down in the description, and you can ask all your doubts, so I will be able to reply. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, give the like button, and if you want to share, just share it with your friends. I'll be very happy for that, and just give some suggestions on what video should I make from now on. Even if there is zero comments down in the comment box, just make a small initiative and just give me some suggestions on what videos should I make from now on, so that it would be very helpful for me to make new videos, as I need to be very friendly with the viewers, and I need to make videos on what you like, right? So that will be really great. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Have a really great day. Bye.